It's making you cry every time.
I'm gonna shoot myself right now.
Toddler, I need you to stay on the phone with me, okay? Just wait until we get there. Pablo?
Yeah.
Okay, just stay with me, okay? Don't shoot yourself.
Okay.
Okay? Tell me exactly what happened.
Real RX. I used to wake up in my room in the morning, put on my dirty shoes in the morning. Heard mama crying last night, think the lights finna go out. Only thing my mind is hitting the leg. A nigga in prison for doing some shit. Say I'ma go to prison for doing some shit. Only thing on my mind is booming the bitch. 12 Star Street, I hated that house. I had to learn early on being a man about. My mama ain't never buy me shit. I sold drugs and robbed for all my shit. Mama said, baby, that was years ago. I'm stressed about shit happened years ago. This shit'll take a bitch years to know. I cried in the cold till my tears was froze. I hit a lick to help my mama out. How the fuck my mom don't wanna kick me out? How the fuck you gonna send me out to the street? How the fuck you gonna say I can't come home and sleep? How the fuck I come out your pussy? You choose your husband like you knew that nigga before me. How the fuck you gonna turn your back on me?
Hey, hi. I've been trying to get this off my chest for a very long time, but please help me. Please, please, please help me.
Look, I understand you're tired, but that is no reason.
I'm not just tired. I'm exhausted. Everything hurts. I get up in the morning to do this job I don't even like, and I'm doing it just for the money, and it's not even a lot of money. I keep trying harder and harder, and it doesn't even make a difference. So if you're going to yell at me or punish me, let's just get it over with.
Alright, y'all, you know, it was a good birthday live, my nigga. I'm finna go fucking kill myself.
You know what I said?
Just have to kill a lot of people. And Victor, yeah, you know what? My life is fucking miserable. I hate my fucking life. I hate it. Yeah, I stream for rent money. I don't like streaming. I don't like any of the games I play. I'm fucking depressed and fucking miserable. I don't sleep. I eat like shit. I have no friends, no social life, and I'm fucking miserable. There it is!
Move away from me! Get away from me!
I can smile when I'm around people, but alone, I just feel empty, you know? I don't really feel anything. Like, all my emotion is gone, and I have nothing to feel. Like, if I can't feel anything, I feel numb. I don't know what to do to help it either. I don't want to talk to family or friends because I don't want them to worry, but if I don't talk to anyone, how am I going to get rid of the feeling? I don't know if getting a girlfriend will help me. I feel like if I do, I would just hurt her and make her feel like me.
You are the worst person I know. You constantly hit on your best friend's wife. The man pays for your food and rescued you from certain death, and this is how you repay him? And to add insult to injury, you defecate all over his yard. And you're such a sponge. You pay for nothing. You always say, ooh, I'll get you later, but later never comes. And what really bothers me is you pretend you're this deep guy who loves women for their souls when all you do is date bimbos. Yeah, I date women for their bodies, but at least I'm honest about it. I don't buy them a copy of Catcher in the Rye and then lecture them with some 7th grade interpretation of how Holden Caulfield was some profound intellectual. He wasn't. He was a spoiled brat, and that's why you like him so much. He's you. God, you're pretentious, and you delude yourself by thinking you're some great writer, even though you're terrible. You know, I should have known Cheryl Teagues didn't write me that note. She would have known there's no A in the word definite. And
you just have to show up for once. Yes.
Show up?
Yes.
I fucking showed up for you! I showed up! I was standing there for you!
Oh, for
and look
what?
where it got me!
So this is my fault then?
I showed up for you!
All of this is my fault, bro.
I showed up for you!
It doesn't scare me, just
I can't do it! Why do you even want me? Why? I'm such a fuck up!
Interlude.
Oh my fucking God!
Yeah, I just be looking at myself, bro. Yeah, I'm ugly as shit, bro.
Fancy.
Oh my God! Everything!